How to take percentage with the help of JavaScript.
Calculating a percentage in JavaScript is something you'll use in many real-world projects. Suffixu quantitativamente,
Whether it's showing progress,
discounts or grade scores.
let's break it down. A percentage is just a part of a whole. So, if you want to find 20% of 500, multiply 500 by 20, then divide by 100. In JavaScript, this looks like simple math using variables. Now, in a real app,
You might let the user enter both values, the part and the total, using input fields.
when the user clicks a button,
Your JavaScript will grab those numbers.
convert them to numeric values using parsefloat, and then do the percentage calculation. You can display the result directly on the page or log it to the console.
This logic is very useful in things like progress bars,
Student result systems, order totals with discounts, or even health tracking dashboards. You can also build logic to prevent errors. For example, checking that the total is not 0 to avoid division errors. The code is here.